Aristotle coined the ideology first principles as a ground-up, scientific way of solving problems. Put more broadly, first principles is about challenging the status quo. Examples of this can be seen all over the tech industry. You probably use either Uber or Lyft to order a cab, Grubhub or DoorDash to get food delivery, Netflix or Hulu to stream movies and shows, and Instagram or TikTok to connect with people. All of these companies were started by people who chose to go against the status quo. Similarly, customers of Redis Enterprise usually sign up and start using Redis as a cache. Once they realize the full potential of Redis, they reimagine their system architecture to use Redis as a primary database. Redis Enterprise allows you to use Redis as a multi-model database, enabling you to think differently about the problems you're solving. Our customers who break the mold and start using Redis as a primary database end up reducing the complexity of their applications. Ultimately, they scale much faster than teams who choose the status quo.